Got a diver in your life, but don't know what the f to get them for the holidays? Overwhelmed by the fact that they might actually hate or not even use what you get them? I've been there. Whether you're shopping for a technical rebreather instructor like my husband or a basic open water bitch like myself, these gifts are sure to make your underwater bestie smile, whether they're at 300 feet doing deep water exploration or at 20 feet looking at turtles and hoping their mask doesn't flood. Hi guys, I'm Joyce, Zach's wife. I've been a swim instructor and swim coach for over 20 years, a head coach for over 13 years, and though I am but a basic open water bitch, I have been diving longer than my husband. Today we're covering the top 5 scuba gifts that people actually want and that I like to get the divers in my life. None of that random shit that's never gonna leave the box, nothing that's super niche that is literally so confusing you do not know what to buy. These gifts work for any diver, whether you're a weekend warrior or a technical rebreather junkie. So first up, dive light. If you're new here, we are obsessed with dive lights. Whether your dive buddy wants to signal an alien spaceship underwater, or they just need a light to find you at 20 feet because they realize they are holding the wrong person's hand, dive lights are the way to go as the perfect gift.
But which light, you ask? We'll have links in the description to anything mentioned in this video, but as a gift, I recommend a backup light. Almost any diver can find use in this because technical divers always need backup lights, and they function as a great primary light for newer divers or recreational divers that don't need a big technical light with a canister battery. Currently, I like a few different backup lights. On the budget end, I really like the Sofern SD06. You really can't beat it for performance to price ratio. But if money's no object, Ammonite is my personal favorite for backup lights right now. They have some really tough and long-burning backup lights that take non-rechargeable batteries, but they do also have the Stingray that takes a standard rechargeable battery, and I think newer divers will probably really like that.
Number 2 is a dry bag, because nothing screams rookie mistake like getting back from your dive to a sopping wet towel. Dry bags are one of my favorite items, not only as a scuba diver, but as a swim coach and a parent. Pro tip is to get a dry bag that is big enough for your towel, for nausea medication, a mini repair kit. So no matter what your dive buddy likes to keep in their bag, make sure it is a dry bag.
I've had a number of dry bags over the years, and as long as they're good quality and the right size for you, you're good to go. Not a whole lot to a dry bag other than its size, capacity, whatever you want to call it, but it does make a perfect container for our next gift.
Gift number 3 is a compact first aid kit and save a dive kit. This is a small kit with first aid items, with backup O-rings, maybe some ear beer. This is a must-have for every diver's bag, and bonus points if you get a sting relief kit. Yeah.
Personally, I think I would build this out with like 3 separate items. I know I'm a bit of a tryhard, but bear with me here. The first being some kind of multi-tool or tool kit, so you can make adjustments at the dive site and stuff like that. I'd follow that up with an assorted O-ring kit. Just a standard O-ring kit that you can get off someplace like Amazon has been infinitely useful to me in my diving career. You never know when you're going to need to replace an O-ring, and it's nice to not have to go to a dive shop to get them. You've got a whole pack at home. And as a technical diver, I prefer to use all Viton O-rings or something else oxygen compatible. You can top that off with a good sting relief kit. Those are super useful, especially if you're going to be doing something like blackwater diving. And then maybe toss in a few Band-Aids just for boo-boos. When I was a medic, my old sergeant used to say, when asked for a Band-Aid, "I'm not a Band-Aid medic." Love that. I ain't got time to bleed.
Coming in at number 4 is Defog. Defog is affordable, practical, and a great stocking stuffer. And even if your buddy is a spitter, some masks are a little bit stubborn. The diver and swim coach in me loves Defog.
I must confess, for quickie dives, I'm usually spitting in my mask. But for long, big, technical dives, I don't take any chances. I use Defog. I also find it useful when breaking in a new mask because Even with all the scrubbing and burning in the world, they still tend to be a little bit foggy until they break in on those first few dives. So defog is helpful, and I tend to like something that's not too thick and kind of clear, like sea drops or the stream to sea defog. Stream to sea, environmentally friendly.
And gift number 5 is a surface marker buoy, or an SMB. SMBs are a safety essential for whatever level you are, and they actually make some pretty cool and pretty funny ones.
DSMBs come in many different colors and sizes. If you're in an area that frequently experiences rough sea, you're probably going to want a pretty large, pretty long DSMB so that it can be seen over those rollers, right? Trust me, when a boat is looking for you, bigger is better. And I've personally been there. One of these days, I'll tell that story. If you're not planning on needing it, you're just bringing it because you want to have it just in case, then you can opt for something a little bit smaller. But then again, if it's rough seas where you're going, bigger's better. It's not that hard to carry an SMB. I actually have a DSMB that I've attached a dive flag to because in my area, you're required to surface near a dive flag from your dives. I can just send the DSMB up before I ascend and it's way better. I personally prefer to orally inflate, meaning I do it just by blowing into a little tube, but you can also do it with your second stage by blowing through a little baffle in the bottom to add air to the SMB. And some SMBs are even compatible with your inflator hose so you can power inflate them. That's fun.
You stuck around this long, so I'm gonna have to throw in a bonus. If you wanna be the ultimate best dive buddy gift giver, then you need to get your dive buddy a DPV. Listen, if you can afford it, a DPV is gonna make your dive buddy the happiest dive buddy on the face of the planet. And who doesn't love a happy dive daddy? I hate you right now. I said it so weird. And who doesn't love a happy dive daddy?
Oh no, I'm using the first one.
If you don't know what a DPV is, you can go to this video here to see our favorite one. And remember to contact divevibemedia@gmail.com for all of your DiveX black tip needs. So there you have it, scuba gifts divers actually want. Whether they're exploring reefs or running hypoxic gas mixes, these gifts are for everyone. And if you can't decide, just get them a gift card to their favorite dive shop because I hate to break it to you, no one wants another snorkel set or a decorative mask strap. And if you still don't know what to get them, check out our other video here on Christmas gifts. Thank you to all of our Dive Vibe patrons. If you would like to support Dive Vibe, follow the link in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the water.